would it be like the biggest turn on spot for him?
I don't know, honestly.
Okay, so let's get back to the brush. So you spot the brush. What color is the brush?
It's the same brush I showed in my video.
What color is the brush?
It's black and silver, and then it has the hairs on it.
So was there like, was it a fairly new brush, or was there like a bunch of hair coming out of the brush?
No, it was a brush that I've had for a while, like probably over a year.
Okay, so Jaydenn saw the brush a couple times when he came in? He knew of the brush.
I don't know that. I don't know. He knew I had makeup brushes, but I don't know. He didn't ask for the brush specifically. Just the first thing I said, like, can this work?
And he said?
Yes. But later on, once it was in there, he said that he didn't like how it felt, like it was too hard.
So why didn't you just slow down the thrust movements?
I wasn't going rough because it was hard to get in.
So okay, so about how long y'all used the brush?
Not for long.
About how long? 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 2 minutes?
Pop out fast. I don't know how long. I don't know how long.
Approximately. 10 minutes, 5 minutes, 2 minutes, 12 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, an hour.
No more than 5 minutes. So like a couple minutes, like 1 or 2 or 3, not more than 5.
What position was his body in during this time?
He was on his side.
Knees to his chest?
No, just on his side, like one leg up a little bit and opening up his, yeah.
And that turned you on?
Yeah.
Okay, good. See, that's a very important thing to note, though, that you enjoyed these things. And so you guys seem to be making each other very happy during those times. You know, you seem to have great skills, both of you, and also a great imagination. So, so once you took out the brush, where'd you put the brush?
I just rinsed it off and...
Where'd you put it?
Let it dry.
Huh?
I don't remember. I know I washed it off, but I don't know where I put it to dry.
What did you wash it with?
Water and soap. Just my normal water and soap.
Did you wash the brush before you went to...
Yes, I did.
You did what?
I cleaned up the brush with a wet wipe.
Huh?
From me see Jaydenn come and say my batty man, me know my batty boy. He come and talk. I say, no man, we are not batty man now, come say them a batty man. If they are not batty man for true. Everybody comment is shit emoji. Everybody comment is shit emoji. Spam me chat with the shit emoji.
Listen, okay. So here's the thing. We weren't there, and this is all, you know, alleged, and you and Jaydenn are both known for playing pranks on the internet to keep trending
relevant
and stuff. So that's the only thing, is that I hope that
it's not a prank.
Yeah.
But if then in gone, no real if no man we are not batty man now come pull them prank, then I'm a batty man for true. Cause in there I just send requests. And we not see him send no more again. In there I watch same way.
Now, Ashley,
so obviously they like it.
Ashley, did you ever just think, well, maybe he is into something else? I mean, or did you just feel, you still felt he was into you?
Honestly, like I said, this is not a thing that's not normal in my culture. Like men, it's okay for me if men like...
what country are you from?
That kind of stuff. I'm from the Netherlands.
Oh.
I'm okay with if men like that kind of stuff.
Mm-hmm.
So I didn't think like, now this makes him not into me as a woman or nothing like that. It wasn't like he always wanted to go and do that either. So
they're asking about the video.
Yes.
What happened with that?
I don't know. That's not me in the video. I don't know that video.
So a different girl batty that him a bust up.
I don't know. Apparently.
Oh, they're asking, did you record? Do you really have videos? And that you're not putting it out, which is a good thing. You should not put anything out of anyone.
Yes, I'm not putting anything out.
Good. Yes, because that is not, legal or morally correct. So make sure you don't do that to anyone. One man said, did you play with Pops YG?
No.
I don't know who was that? Okay, Purple said there was never a video. Kimani said she has nothing to put out. Well, she's not going to put it out, even if she did, because that is against the law. Okay?
Yes.
So anyway, well, listen. They said you should add Jaydenn so he can say what he needs to say for a few minutes.
Let me send him a request, because I don't know. Jaydenn, may I add you? Send a request, Jaydenn.
Let Ashley come down if she wants to, because we don't want to, blindside her. But in all fairness, just to let him respond, Ashley, so that he can speak his piece about the brush, about the toe.
You shame him earlier, I now come. You shame him. I diss him earlier, so I can suck your mama.
Okay.
And now come.
Okay.
Yeah, you go suck your mama if you go suck your mama. You know you're true, you're a batty boy if you true. Go suck out your mother, Jaydenn.
Oh, okay. Smith said every minute she's changing the story. Well, I don't know.
I've not changed my story not one time.
Accept your request.
I haven't even told the story in any detail until now.
Yeah, then accept your request. You does send a request, but not make you number that come. Like nobody want to come.
Jaydenn. But do you have too many people in here?
No, he can't come. I'm no accept him. I send it to him. He not accept. Yeah, through me this him. Probably I through me this him earlier. Me this him earlier and figure suck your mama. Go shame. I'm saying she go shame him. Me I can't done for a man, you know. Shame like a dog. I'm a batty boy. I'm a long time I can't done, you know. But you ain't gonna make it like for me and my friends. I have to make it people know. Me and a batty boy and a friend. Go suck your mama, Jaydenn. Anybody want to be a friend can be a friend. You can go suck your mama with a baptism. You go suck good.
I invited him.
Mr. Say, my like my.
Maybe he wants Ashley to come off for him to come on. I don't know.
Yo, wait for take off Ashley. Ashley, stay and I coming.
All right. Good night, everybody.
Ashley will be back. Oh, I'll give it to her after. Okay, they said take Rose down for a second. London. Rose, Rose chat. We're gonna add Rose and